Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Miss Fatia Anggriani Pradina, SSM Hum, as a lecturer in English courses and my dear friends. Introduce myself. My name is Melanie Anggriani. My name 20117022. I'm from Universitas Trilogi. On this occasion, I will share my opinion regarding hybrid learning. First of all, we will know first what is hybrid learning. Hybrid learning is an educational model approach that combines online learning with real classroom teaching like face-to-face school time in general. In this hybrid learning design, combining traditional face-to-face learning classes with web-based online learning and or computer or smartphone mediated learning. The implementation of hybrid learning can be carried out by dividing the learning participant in one class into two sessions. For the first week, for example, session A is face-to-face learning, session B is online learning. On the other hand, in the second week, season A is online learning, season B is face-to-face learning. Just like now, hybrid learning will be carried out by several schools, universities, and other educational institutions, as we have experienced together for the past 2 years, where the country of Indonesia is experiencing the COVID-19 pandemic, which has an impact on all aspects of life in Indonesia. One of them is the education aspect. I'm also a student who feels the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. This pandemic has resulted in all of us in educational institutions having to use the online method. Online learning is carried out with various digital platforms such as Edmodo, Google Classroom, Google Meet, Zoom Meet, Skype, WhatsApp, or other online media. Unfortunately, in my opinion, online learning is not effective because not all people understand using digital platforms. In addition, the impact of frequent use of digital platforms will interfere with our health because every day we have to deal directly with the layers of cell phones, laptop, and so on. Currently, the level of COVID-19 in Indonesia has decreased so that several schools and universities have carried out face-to-face learning with hybrid learning methods. In my opinion, this hybrid learning method has its advantage and disadvantage. The advantage of the hybrid learning methods are that first, we are increasingly aware and understand that face-to-face learning is important in order to minimize the psychosocial impact. Second, we can re-socialize with friends, lecturers, and others, even if only for a few days. Third, flexible learning times. What this means is that we can access learning wherever and whenever we want, which is a great opportunity for us to have a lot of time outside the classroom because the number of groups and class size are smaller than on a typical class day. Then, the next drawback of hybrid learning, in my opinion, is the higher potential for the spread of COVID-19. Another consequence of hybrid learning is higher potential for the spread of COVID-19. This hybrid model is considered to be able to bring us to different people every week. Second, the schedule is also unstructured and many students hard to listen and video. Many students are unable to follow the hybrid learning plan, which is mean that it is a fear that many will be left behind in the material. In addition, hybrid learning also always requires computer access. It will be very difficult to ensure that every student has access to the device when he needs it for the lectures, as well as access to an internet connection. So, mixed or hybrid learning is a learning method that integrates technology and digital media with conventional classroom activities led by educators, allowing students more flexibility to personalize their learning journey. The application of hybrid learning is the same as the learning that has been carried out so far, which starts with preparation. Preparation for hybrid learning begins with analyzing student context and content of learning or lectures. Of course, this hybrid learning will follow social distancing guidelines, which will be a requirement, which means that desks will be spaced apart. Students will be in one classroom all day without breaks and wearing masks too. That's my opinion about hybrid learning. Hopefully, it's useful, and thank you.